everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to get the color marker.
Yeah.
So let's start off with going behind Yellow's marker shop. Okay. Oh yeah, and hit the thief marker too. Spell hill rock 3 times, but do not space because there's no space.
Is that the thief you said? I don't know what you just said. Oh well.
Okay, so let's go in here.
Do. Hey, do.
Wait, I can see.
Where's subscribe you like and subscribe you like this channel. This song I mean.
Okay, now this. You should at least spell this 3 times.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill, see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
I'm not trying that. Okay, let me try it. Okay, second time. Here you go.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
Okay, one last time. You will eventually get it, right? There it is. I already got it though, so. If this helps, please like and subscribe, okay? Okay, bye-bye.